What's up? It's Dougie, Diamond D Outdoors. Today we are getting started episode 1 of our survival food review series. First up, biscuits and gravy. So we have seen these everywhere. Walmart, Academy, Cabela's, Bass Pro, whatever your outdoor store of choice is, we've seen them. Basically freeze-dried meals that are designed for backpacking, camping, whatever. One thing that I have started noticing is they're actually advertising these now for the family on the go. So basically you don't have the time to cook dinner after soccer practice, whatever. Throw a little water in here and bingo bango, you've got a meal. So I have put the nutritional facts right over here. Let's go over those real fast. So basically the serving size is 1 cup of dry mixed. There's 2 of these per container. My guess is it's designed for 2 people. Total fat per serving, 10 grams. Cholesterol, 25. Sodium, 870 milligrams per serving. That's a little excessive. 37 carbs, so it's definitely not keto. 11 grams of protein, pretty good. Basically, all you have to do to prepare this, rip open the bag. There's a desiccant package, an oxygen absorber, moisture absorber in the bag. Pull that out. 1.5 cups of boiling water. Stir it up, close the zipper, and let it sit for 5 minutes. Stir again, reseal. It sits for another 4. So basically, start to finish, 20 minutes, and you've got somewhat of a home cooked meal. So I've already got the water boiling. Let's go ahead, put it in, and put it to the taste test. All right, so rip the bag. There's that packet I was telling you about. Put that to the side. All right, we're gonna zipper that closed. It says stir, but I think this will probably do the trick. So we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. We're gonna come back, re-stir it, and wait another 4. All right, it has been a grand total of 9 minutes. So let's give it a try. So that is what we're looking at. So I think this sausage is pork sausage. Yeah, so buttermilk biscuits, gravy, and pork sausage. I am a Southern boy, and biscuits and gravy is kind of what I grew up on. Kind of spoiled on it. Nice thick white gravy. This is not, but it's also not home cooked. It's not what Mom makes. Let's give it a try and see how it compares to what Mom does make. So it's not gourmet by any means, but it's not horrible. So for the 870 grams, or I'm sorry, 870 milligrams of sodium per serving, I was expecting it to be pretty salty. It's not. To steal from a couple of, well, the only other series that I'm doing, the Austin Day Tripping, to steal from that, the star rating, which I guess I'm stealing from everybody. So if I was going to give, all of these are going to be 5 stars as far as ease of making. I mean, they're freeze dried. You don't have to refrigerate them. Just add water. Easy. That's a given. Taste. That's a hard one. Mountain House is not going to win any Michelin stars with this, but pretty damn good. Let's give it a 3. A 3 is meets expectations. So, you know, like at work. So on a scale of 1 to 5, 1, not meeting expectations, needs improvements. 2 basically means, not quite cutting it. You can improve a little bit. 3 is, you're exactly what we expect. No better, no worse. 4, pretty good. 5, you're a freaking rock star. This is what I expect. Pretty good. If you've ever eaten DFAT, biscuits and gravy, or SOS, that's a pretty good comparison. One thing I will say is every now and again I get a piece of crunchy something. I'm guessing it's the biscuit. They're like little cubes. The dog smells it, so I'm guessing she'll give it a 4. But I get a little crunch, like something didn't soak up all the water. It's not bad. I mean, it's not a crazy change in texture that I do not like at all. Yeah, so all in all, this bag here is about $9, give or take. I've got a link down below to Amazon where you can get them. Just like everybody else, that is an affiliate link, so if you do click it, I see a little bit of money. It helps me to keep the Facebook going, to keep the YouTube going, and to keep on showing you more and more. In that same vein, like, subscribe, get notified, hit that down there. Also check me out on Facebook. Little animation here, Diamond D Outdoors. All right, see you later.